Good morning everyone, welcome back. I'm here in Nusa area now, and let's do morning walk to see the situation surrounding this area at the beach and also some resorts, guys. Okay, so let's go and see together. This is the beach side and this is the Ayodhya resort. Still very quiet. I think maybe the tourists still having their breakfast. Now it's around 8:30. So let's go and walk around in this area. Anybody of you planning to stay here maybe for your next holiday? And here, I think they providing massage service. Halo Bu, pagi Bu. Bu, berapa ininya harga massage biasanya?
Harga massage kita charge-nya full body
200. Itu udah harga pas ya?
Iya, udah harga pas, itu udah harga pas ya untuk dulu, tapi kalau mau nawar bisa sih.
Bisa ya?
Jamnya yang kita kurangin gitu, itu kan satu jam.
Oh gitu. Sekitar segitu lah harganya.
Iya.
Oh, deh. Kasih ya.
Iya, sama-sama.
And I spoke with the lady earlier, and they provide massage around this area. The price is around 200,000 rupiah, full body massage, 1 hour, guys. And look at this place. It's really nice, isn't it? And there is a restaurant here. You can have your breakfast, lunch, dinner. And this is the Mengiat beach. Let's have a look, quick look. It is a nice beach, very clean, quiet, and it is public beach, guys. So you don't need to stay around in this area to be able to enjoy the beach. You can rent the sunbeds, and the price last time I asked is about 100,000 rupiah each. Look at this. If you love to swim, they have the changing room there. So you just do some donation. So you can take your shower as well. Good facilities here. Okay, let's continue walking. In this area also a lot of people like to do exercise like jogging or walking, and it's also for public, guys. And there is a temple here, so it must be the local people's temple. So quiet. I don't know if we can enter, but I think we can enter until here, but I just don't want to disrespect it because there is no local people here, so it's good to ask permissions before we go inside. Okay, let's continue. If you come a bit later, let's say around afternoon time, you will see a lot of local people selling many things here, basically Bali products, dresses, handicrafts, something like that. But at this time, still closed. And this one, we are entering Merusaka Resort. Look at that on the left side. It's really big area, isn't it? It's very nice resort. Would you like to stay here maybe for your next holiday to Bali? The location in this area is not really far from airport, guys. It's close to everything, to airport and to shopping area also. They have Bali collection shopping, but also they have outside area of BTDC, which is kind of like market, and you can do some shopping, like you want to buy some gift, for example, or souvenirs, or you want to find some restaurants. It's just walk out from BTDC area, you will find some restaurants as well. And And look at that. There is swing as well. So you can do some swing with taking pictures with the background of the beach. Wow, this area looks very nice. Shade under the tree. And there is a small pool there, but I do believe they have another main pool. Inside there they have a really big pool. Oh, they have water sports board as well. But I think if you book water sports, they will send you to Tanjung Benoa Beach. This beach to Tanjung Benoa is not really far. If you ride a boat, maybe like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you will arrive at the Tanjung Benoa Beach, guys. And what I know is that is the only area people do water sports, like jet ski, parasailing, sea walker, and many more. And this is, I do believe, it's Grand Hyatt. But anyway, this hotel is really big area. Have you been to Grand Hyatt or to this hotel? There are a lot of rooms you can see from here. And you can see the view of their garden and also the beach, guys. Here on the right side is the beach. Yeah. Wow, look at these rooms here. It must be very nice room. Very quiet. And you can hear from your room the wave. So it's just really nice, I can say. I think probably there was an event last night, so they are clearing up all the stage or the tent. And look at the pond here, guys, with a lot of lotus flowers. It's really pretty, isn't it? So let's enjoy walking here, guys. So for you that planning to stay in this hotel or resort, at least you know the situations at the moment. You can play tennis table. We call it ping pong in Indonesia or Bali. Yeah? And from here you can see some people or tourists, they're having their breakfast. And that is the main pool of this resort. It's a really big pool, guys. I'll show you later when it's getting closer. And here is the beach side where you can find some, what you call that, gazebos. They're adding some gazebos in this beach area. I didn't see it last time, but it must be very nice. You can have your spas there. It's just good. It has a lot of trees, shade, so it's just nice. And from here you can see the pool, guys. It's a really big pool. From right there all the way until down there. And they have their pool bar as well. So if you want to order some drinks, coconuts maybe. But maybe the price is slightly more expensive. But anyway, this is the resort, so they have their own price. Still very quiet at the pool, but the water is really clean. And here on the left side, this is the villas area. Belibis villas, and they have other villa there. It's really good, yeah. Wow, look at this. What is this? Baby Komodo? No, lizard? Look at that. What is that in English? Wow, it's running away. Look at the beach side, guys. It's really beautiful beach, isn't it? And I think it's high tides today or this morning. As you can see, big wave. But it's still really safe to swim around in this area because the wave is very far inside there. Okay, we are out from Grand Hyatt area. And again, here you will see some restaurants, but maybe this morning still closed. They will start to open later, maybe daytime and also at night. And here, if not mistaken, this is belong to hotel, but I forgot the name of the hotel. If not mistaken, this is for the Courtyard Marriott Hotel. So if you stay at that hotel, you can spend your time here at the beach side because they don't have access directly to the hotel, guys. And this one also another hotel, Renaissance, something like that. So they will have shuttles and then they will take you here and drive you back as well. Here where you can rent surfboards, and if you walk to that side you will see some local warung where you can have some drinks, some food. Hello. Good, good, thank you. Oh, hello. So you watch my video?
Yeah,
every day. Oh, thank you very much.
Just to catch up and see what's happening.
Yeah.
How's things going, all right?
Good, yeah. Good, good. Yeah, just keep informing people the situation.
Good.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's morning walk here. It's very beautiful.
It is.
Yeah.
It's hot, really.
Very
hot,
clean.
Really hot.
hot.
Where are you from?
Darwin.
Darwin,
Yeah,
Australia. Yeah. So, how is holiday so far? So good.
Good, yeah.
Okay.
Not too
So when did you arrive?
bad. Last Friday.
Oh, last Friday. Okay.
We
So,
leave this Friday.
oh, I
Just
see.
here a week.
So
On
one
our
week.
way back from Thailand.
Oh, I see. So you came from Thailand.
Yeah, yeah.
So how do you enjoy this holiday?
Good.
Good.
It's a bit hotter than normal. This is the first time we've been here in October.
Yeah.
Normally we're here in end of May, June.
Ah,
It's a lot
okay.
cooler, but
Oh,
yeah,
I see.
it's alright. Still Bali.
I see. Yeah.
Still enjoyable.
Yeah. Nowadays, I don't know. The weather is a bit hotter.
Yeah.
The temperature is also a
Yeah.
bit hotter.
Very good.
Okay.
We'll leave
So,
you back to work. mate.
yeah. Enjoy your holiday. Yeah.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, bye bye. It's really happy to see my viewers actually really appreciate, and I would like to say thank you very much for you that always watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I think that's all for today's walk in this area in Nusa Dua. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.